How to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Now there are two ways you can transfer or add crypto to your account. That is, buy Bitcoin directly in the app and find the money tab, select Bitcoin. So what here you need to do is, first of all, you want to open up your Cash App and tap the Bitcoin icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. After which you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer. And when you click on the transfer button or maybe buy, you have to enter the exact amount that you want to buy using a fiat on your cash balance and confirm the purchase as well. And next, what you need to do is go ahead and enter in the recipient to whom you're actually transferring. Maybe it's a bank account or maybe you're transferring to a Cash App user itself. Enter in the following information, confirm all that stuff, and that is how you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.